Welcome to our vlog and the extraordinary theme
of mathematics, empowering minds, cultivating culture for peace and prosperity. In this intriguing episode, we will delve into the profound impact mathematics has done on our life.
its connection to fostering essential values and its role in shaping a peaceful and prosperous world.
So, hi, mister. Or what do you prefer?
Mister lang, mister.
What's your name? Can I know your name?
Yes, I'm Philip Cesar Espontaneria from the Notre Dame of
Yay! So, what do you think is the importance of math in our daily life?
Siguro, the most important thing in math is the people, like, nasa sa atong culture and we use math for daily circumstances nga, we use it for cooking and many things like pumamatata o sa oras matanaw ta, that is math also. Then, math is, for some reasons, wala siya mawala sa atong life. More on, na social practice na nato siya or na siya itong social norms, which is kung na-upload siya yung way of communication and kung pwede po siya nato siya magamit sa mga speeches po nato in our lives. And that's all.
Thank you so much.
Okay, by the way, my name is Alan Rancy Purpose from Padores Babu High School, and I am currently the Mathematics Teachers Association President of the municipality.
Wow. So, sir, what can you say to students who hate math?
Actually, it's not about hating mathematics. It's about knowing what's your priorities in life. So to those people or to those students who are saying that they hate mathematics, it's their discretion. I cannot say that I can force you to do so. However, you have to do it all by yourself. Why? Because number one, every day in our lives talks about mathematics. Your age, your birthday, the cup of rice that you eat, the food, and everything. So I don't really understand why they will hate mathematics. Maybe it's not about the numbers, it's not about math itself, but it's about the pressure and the factors that affects them. So to those people who are saying that mathematics is hard, please don't try to say it because it's your mental capacity that brought you why mathematics is difficult. So please encourage yourself to do more and be more, do your best always in everything you do because math is everywhere.
Thank you, sir, and thank you for the motivation. You are not.
Thank you so much.
Yay!
In math, minds are empowered, and values are cultivated towards peace and prosperity.